ask us anything, and literally you can ask us anything. We prefer that it be legal, but you can ask us anything. Philip in Birmingham with us. We appreciate your patience. If you will, go right ahead with your question this evening.
I was injured on the job back in '95, and I filed a lawsuit against my former employer's workman's comp, and we won the case. I refused to go on disability at the time and wanted to go back to work. So I went back to work, and I worked for a few years. And then in 2005, the treating physician took me off work, so I couldn't do it no more. So I wound up having to go on disability in 2005. And the attorney that I was using for the disability, the original attorney had passed away. And the attorney that I was using for the disability was notified Social Security, and Social Security told them, well, you know, he's on this, got an outstanding workers' comp case that he won. So he in turn contacted the insurance adjuster when he called me and asked me about it. And I told him, yeah. I gave him all the contact information. And they say they pay him. They say they have been paying disability and all the medicals involved since 2005. And they ain't paid a thing. Yeah. And every time I've hired attorney after attorney and had to pay out of pocket. I've even called the show several times, and y'all referred me to them. Matter of fact, you had one of the attorneys that was working for the law firm with the insurance company on the show. She quit right after dealing with me, and y'all referred her to me, and she told me right quick she couldn't talk about it, and I said, well, I understand that.
Yeah.
But
well, Ron and Ken, let me ask you just your advice for Philip at this point.
Are you receiving Social Security disability now?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. And did you get lifetime medical on your workers' comp?
Yes.
Okay.
Medical and disability.
Right. So did you get an upfront lump sum payment on your disability?
From the insurance company?
From the insurance company.
I haven't got nothing.
Okay, you never got a payout on your workers' comp to begin with.
Never paid it out.
See, what'll happen is there can be offsets for your disability. Okay, so there should be some language in that original agreement where you settle with the insurance company to begin with. There would be some language in there that allowed for, in case you ever went on disability, it would get offset. So I think we'd have to hear a little bit more offline about your situation. Something that happened in '95 and then 2005, and now it's 20 years later. It's going to be, it may be hard to unravel. I am very glad to hear that you're getting Social Security disability. I don't know that there's going to be anything that you can do about that 1995 accident. I have the feeling that you're a little hamstrung there.
So would you just recommend that he reach out?
Yeah,
just to have a conversation
yeah,
further and get some more details. Okay.
Yes. We'll see if we can iron it out.
Okay. Well, Philip, hold tight if you will. We're going to give out Ken's number to the office in our next block. So please make sure you stay with us so we can get you that help further